Properly leveling your GSS25GYPFS refrigerator is important for smooth door operation and efficient cooling performance. When a refrigerator sits unevenly on the floor, the doors may not close properly, and the internal components may work harder to maintain the correct temperature. Fortunately, GE refrigerators are designed with adjustable leveling legs that make it easy to stabilize the appliance. With a simple adjustment, you can ensure the refrigerator sits firmly on the floor and the doors align correctly, and try these. Step 1. Pull the refrigerator slightly forward and remove the bottom grill if needed to access the leveling legs. Step 2. Locate the front leveling legs or adjustment screws beneath the refrigerator. Step 3. Use a wrench or screwdriver to turn the leveling legs clockwise to raise or counterclockwise to lower them. Step 4. Check the refrigerator's balance by ensuring it leans slightly backward so the doors close easily. Step 5. Push the refrigerator back into place and confirm the doors open and close smoothly.